The colors can't be beat on this one right here. And this is a factory-born, all tuxedo black, no vinyl top with white interior. How often do you see that? This one was born this way. Not to mention it's a real 138 VIN code SS, numbers matching 396, correct 4-speed and posi. Beautiful car. Why don't we go for a spin? You can visit volocars.com. That's where you find a price tag on every car for sale, along with the monthly finance payment that we offer. Now, overall, this is a really nice car. It's not one of the 10 out of 10s. It's very nice, or I wouldn't have bought it. But really, it was the colors that just knocked my socks off. This is all real straight, beautiful. It's like a black mirror. Looking all the way down the side of the car, it's straight. These gaps are actually very spot on, square, flush, no bubbles along the bottom at all. There's a couple, 2-3 little faint bumps or bubbles right here. There is a factory seam here. It seems to be a problem area quite often. Very minor though. This is all straight, clean, nice, all looking really good, all straight and clean. Quarter panel straight. All the lines are nice and straight. All clean, square, flush. Door shuts real nicely. This side's all really good looking. Straight, no bubbles, no rust, no damage. Yeah, body looks great. It is an SS, so it has the little trim up on top with the scoops. Very mild imperfection right there. A couple little pimples and a little line. I was looking at the paint as I was describing the body, and here's a little imperfection in the paint, like a little divot. You'll find little thing here or there, but overall, you walk up to the car, it's gorgeous. I actually found this car down in Florida at a car show, and standing next to it and looking at it, it looks absolutely perfect. It's not till you inspect it where you find these little things that I'm telling you about. So the stainless trim looks to be good, original. A little scuff here or there, but it's nice, it's straight. It's all very good, not new. Door handle looks new. Window fuzzies are good. Vent window frame is good. Original rubber, it has some dry cracks in the rubber around the vent window. All the side moldings look good. Super Sport emblem sparkling. Here's a scratch that's been touched up right on top here. It has the SS trim back here, anodized trim. Again, I'm going to call this good. The taillights look like they might be new. Bumper looks like new. Original glass, some light scratches, a little bit of wear on the stainless, couple little dents. The wheels are really sharp. 15-inch rally wheels. The trim is sparkling. Radial redline tires. And I'm going to make sure those are 15-inch like I said, and yes, they are. Here's like a line. It's like under the paint. It's just a faint line. I just happened to catch it. New cross flag emblems with the 396. The bumper looks like new. All the trim up here is really nice and shiny and straight. Looks like it's been replaced. So there you go. The outside's looking pretty darn good. Let's open it up, see the inside. All right, let's see what it looks like inside the trunk. Looks pretty good. Under the trunk lid's nice and glossy. A little dust as the posi sticker. Look how clean all the metal is inside, all dry, clean, rust-free. Has been spatter painted. Weatherstrip looks like new. Does have a jack and a spare. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Get some really great cars coming through here. Door jambs nice and shiny. Weather strips were replaced. Again, a factory white interior, so it has the black and white door panels in excellent shape. Dash area looks good. Dash pad's been replaced, although it has a couple wrinkles in the corner. This upper trim looks new. All this trim actually has been replaced. Has the factory gauges instead of the dummy lights. Original radio still in place. Heater controls panel looks like it's been replaced. New glove box liner. So all this is very good. Here's a hole. That must have been, I don't know what caused that. It's rubbed through right there. Kick panels are nice. Carpet's laid out real nice. White upholstery is in real good shape. Has seat belts in the front. They were still optional in '66. See the bench seat shifter. See how it's curved to go around the bench seat. Has reverse lockout. That moves easy. Carpet's nice. Seats reupholstered. Side panels look like new. It's all in great shape. Rear shelf looks new. White headliners in very good shape. Matching visors. Then it has a 2-spoke deluxe steering wheel. Pretty cool. You don't see that very often. So when I talk about the colors being a big deal, I'm right now trying to buy a '63 Corvette split window, black with red interior, and I'm paying probably about 40% more just for the colors. So there is a premium for this black with this white combo, and according to that tag, that does look original. It was born this way. It's also the original motor. I checked the dates, the casting codes. High Performance is cast on the block. The VIN number is stamped up front. The dates line up. As far as I'm concerned, this is the original motor for the car. 3¼ horse. It's probably about 360 or 375 now. It's got a solid lip cam. Aluminum intake with a big dual feed Holley. HEI ignition system. And then it's got a set of headers. So the firewall, inner fenders, it's all clean. It's all nice. Chrome valve covers and air cleaner are nice. Alternator looks brand new. Pulleys are clean. Has a chrome power steering. Shroud looks good. So yeah, power steering and power brakes. And overall, just very clean and presentable. Nice looking. Caleb's going to take you for a drive and see what that 396 will do.
All right, guys. 66 Chevelle, we're taking her around the block, showing you how she drives. Definitely feels more true to its originality. So it is going to drive like a classic car, but feels pretty smooth over the bumps. Of course, you got a nice comfy bench seat to soak up some of that, or absorb some of the shock from the bumps and the rough terrain. But it feels good. Shifter feels good. The clutch grab's nice. Power steering, power brakes work wonderful. Turn signal lights up. Let's get her up to speed, see what she does. Woo, listen to this thing rip. You'll feel like a badass driving this one, that's for sure. But it does 60 miles an hour, no problem. Drives nice and straight. It is on some redline replicas, so you know it's gonna drive a little bit, you know, not as smooth as like a radial tire, but still feels pretty good. Turn signals did cancel. Yeah, downshifts nicely. In and out of the gear, no problem. Gauges are working. Try the wipers. Wipers work. Horn works. Yeah, there you guys have it. 66 Chevelle.
I just noticed there's some drips right on the very edge of the trunk lip here. Every car that we buy goes through service. We have a shop, the lead mechanic test drives it, looks at the car, puts it on a lift, checks it out. We spent about $2,600 on this one. Miscellaneous stuff typically. We installed horns, we cleaned a light socket, we lubed a window track, repositioned the clutch spring, just a whole variety of things like that. Fixed the valve cover leak. So the car is serviced, is checked out, and then if you buy it, it runs through the shop one more time just to make sure we didn't miss anything obvious. But underneath the car is really solid. The floors and that all look to be original and solid. They don't look patched up. All the suspension looks like it's been gone through. The springs look clean. The shocks look recent. The bushings, the steering, a lot of that looks like it's been replaced. Brakes are serviced. E-brake cables look new. Fuel tank has been replaced. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust system. You look up at the motor, it's real clean Chevy orange. You can still see the freeze plugs are fresh. The fuel pump, the starter, all that's real clean. It has the correct Muncie 4-speed transmission. It has its original 12-bolt 331 posi. The dates that are stamped on it line up to this car spot on. So again, number matching, amazing factory colors, real SS 396 4-speed car in very good shape. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get it delivered home and how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when these beauties are posted. Thanks for watching.